Hello everyone, welcome to Install Mania. In this tutorial, I will going to show you how to install VirtualBox on Windows 11 PC. VirtualBox is a software that help you to run multiple operating system in a single operating system. So now I will show you how to install it. Then I will make a video how to install Ubuntu, Kali Linux and other operating system on VirtualBox. So now I show you how to install VirtualBox. So I open my browser and then I go to search bar and I type VirtualBox and hit enter. This is the official website of VirtualBox, Oracle VirtualBox. I click on it and then I see a download button. I click on download button and then it show the VirtualBox platform packages. So I chose Windows host. So I click on Windows host, then download will be starting. So I click on start download. It will take few seconds to complete download. I close this download complete wizard and I double click on VirtualBox setup file. It asks me permission. I click on yes and it is loading some necessary file for run installation. Here I click on next button. I click on accept terms of the license agreement and click on next and click on yes and click on yes and click on next, and after that click on install button. It take few minutes to complete installation process. I fast forward this step. Installation is completed. I click on finish button. Then it is first time start Oracle VirtualBox on my Windows 11 PC. So I chose the basic mode and this is the Oracle VirtualBox Manager. In my next few videos I will show you how to install Linux based operating system on Windows. So now that is my video. In this video I will show you how to install VirtualBox on Windows 11 PC. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you watch this video on YouTube, please subscribe my YouTube channel. If you watch this video on my Facebook page, please follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video.